Most people lose money when converting crypto to their local currency, and they don't even know it. Let me show you something real quick. This is a recent payment I received as crypto. It was automatically converted into my local currency, and I was able to withdraw it directly into my local bank using this method I'm going to show in this video. So in this video, I'll show you how to receive crypto and get paid directly into your bank account using one app. Make sure you watch to the end because I'll show you the mistake that can make you lose money during conversion. So the app is called Spenda and it works differently from other apps. It is available on Play Store. You can download it and register an account for free and verify your account. So on Spenda app, you receive crypto like BTC, ETH, BNB, SOL, TRX, TON, and others. And one thing I really love about this app is that once you receive your crypto, it gets converted automatically to your local currency. To receive money using this app is very simple. All you need to do is to come to the home section and you click on deposits. So you select the crypto that you want to receive. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using USDC. So I'll click on USDC. You have other option. So USDC, and I'm going to select under base network. So this is it here, USDC under base network. So here you have the receiving address. You are going to copy it. So after copying it, you can send it to clients or payment platforms or anyone that wants to send you crypto. So you send it to them, or that's how to do it. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to deposit small amount of USDC. Let's see how it works. So once they send you the crypto, it will reflect in your account. As you can see, my USDC deposit is successful. And this is exactly what I'm talking about. You don't need to manually convert anything. You don't need to convert anything manually, because once the cryptos enter your account, Spenda automatically converts it to your local currency, which is very, very nice. So you can see it. So don't be confused, because this is very easy, especially if you're a beginner. So if you want to withdraw your money to your local bank account, this is also very simple. You click on transfer. So you click on bank account. You select your bank, you put in your account number and your name, or the name in which you want to send it to will reflect, and you click continue, and that's it. You select the amount you want to send and you confirm. You see, very easy. Now, one mistake that most people make is sending the wrong crypto network or wrong address, and this can lead to loss of funds. So for example, if you want to send or if you want to receive USDT, you see you have different network. You have BNB Smart Chain, Ethereum, Tron, Solana, TON. So make sure to be very careful and always double check before selecting the address so that you will not choose the wrong one. I hope you understand what I'm saying. And another thing is that to get the best value, I would advise to always check the price, the current price of any crypto you want to receive or sell or send. So always confirm the crypto network and the rates. So you can click on rates to check the rate before receiving funds. And right here you also have a calculator. So you can also calculate how much USDT you are going to get in your local currency. So you can use the calculator here. So if you have any question or anything you don't understand, feel free to let me know in the comment section. And if you've been using this app for some time, feel free to let me know your experience in the comment section. And if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more simple ways to make money online. Feel free to check out my other videos to learn how to earn crypto and dollars. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.